Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Rathan Cottage Happy Plants, and in today's video I am going to speak about 6 winter interest plants that I have here in our garden at Rathan Cottage. So I will start here with this one that I have right here beside me. It is Osmanthus evergreen shrub that has 5 flowers, very scented. It's got lovely glossy leaves. You can just see the flower buds are starting to appear now. So this is my, I planted this one about 4 or 5 years ago, maybe 4, and it's grown quite a bit since I planted it. It was very small, so it grows pretty fast, and it's lovely because it's evergreen and flowers early spring. So that's number 1. Number 2 is this heather. I don't know which variety it is because I grew it from a cutting, but look, it starts flowering from about December time, and it just keeps producing these fabulous flowers all the way until May, I think, or March, April into May, I would say. Very nice, low growing, evergreen, woody perennial, so I guess it's a shrub, and it is very, very much loved here in our garden. Number 3 is this Grevillea rosmarinifolius. So it's called rosmarinifolius because it's got resemblance of rosemary in the leaves, and the flowers are just starting to come now. You can see they are fabulous, like little cloves, and it's just gorgeous, and it's an absolute fabulous shrub for winter and spring. So it starts flowering now and it keeps flowering all the way until April, May. It is fabulous. You can just see, look at all the flower buds on it. It's great. It's a bit of a tender shrub. I grew this one from a cutting, and believe it or not, 5 years ago when I planted it here, it was just a tiny little stick, about 20-30 centimeters, and look at it now. It is over a meter high and very bushy, and it's very happy in this position on the west side of our wall, right against the wall of the house, as you can see, and it's also protected by another wall on the other side, and then we have a hedge on the other side. So it's obviously loving this west side position, and it's very happy, very, very happy, and I'm very happy to have it, especially when I grew it from a cutting. There you go. Grevillea rosmarinifolium, number, what did I say, 3. Number 4 is this Daphne. Now it's a short Daphne. I grew it from a little seedling I found underneath another plant in a garden I was caring for. I don't know which variety it is. I could look it up and maybe find a name on to put it on, because I think it is, well, it's a seedling, so it can be true. I guess if they don't come true from seed, I don't think, or if they do, I'll have to look up. Anyway, again, look at it. It's fabulous, and it's covered in flower buds, and again, flowers from early winter all the way until mid-spring. So a great Daphne, evergreen, and it's very scented. It's just the only negative, I would say, it's too short, so you have to go down on your hands and knees to get the scent. But when it has lots of flowers, if you put a seed beside it in the spring, you actually get a whiff of the flower. So Daphne. Next winter flowering shrub is this Skimmia. Now this, I think I do have the label somewhere. You can just see it's starting to flower, and it's got a white flower. And again, I planted about 4 years ago, and it was a tiny 1 liter pot, I think, or maybe 2 liter pot. And look at it now. It's just grown absolutely massive. It's about a meter wide, I think, probably. I mean, at least 9, and it's very short, so it's a dwarf one. And it's 40-50 centimeters high. Really, really lovely Skimmia. And it's just fabulous for winter interest with the evergreen. And right beside it I have a holly, which also has lovely evergreen foliage, and I did have some berries as well. I've forgotten the name of both of them. And then over here I have another Skimmia. This is a Skimmia with the berries, so it's got the red berries, which are fabulous, and also you can just see now the flowers are starting to appear. Another lovely skimmia. I bought them both at the same time, and you can see the white flowering one, which doesn't have berries. It's shorter than the other one with the berries on, but they're both very nice. And I like the fact that this one has like white tips at the edge of the leaves. So that's number 4 and 5, no, 6 and 7, the skimmias. I think I said I was going to do 6, and I already did too many, but the skimmias, I guess, are both the same, so you can count them as one.